Well, in terms of the products used, each of the 12 treatments were a combination of a number of different fungicides and plant protection products, let's say. In terms of the product names, there's things like Exteris, Dedicate was used, Medallion, Chipco Green was used in some of the curative programs, so there's really too many to just read out just now. But alongside that, there was the popular 20-20-30 mix from Headland that a lot of greenkeepers use, and products from Rigby Taylor as well that were used in combination with fungicides. And as we said, they were used preventatively, so we had more preventative treatments in than we had curative. We had 3 curative treatments and 9 preventative treatments. The findings, briefly, of the trial were that the preventative treatments worked much better than the curative treatments, and that was the main objective. That was the goal of the trial. This trial was set up so that we could speak about it at the STRI Research Day that we did last September, and that was what we were hoping to find out, and that is what we've found out from this trial. So it was backing up what effectively we knew already, but we wanted to prove it, and just trying to it was just a case of making sure that we had some numbers to back up the argument for the preventative approach. So in terms of turf quality, turf colour, we saw an improvement in plots that had been treated with the preventative approaches. And in terms of the presence of microdochium patch as a percentage, we saw significant differences in the preventative programs compared to both the untreated controls and the curative programs. So there was some of the treatments within the preventative approaches were better than others. We saw fluctuations as the trial went on. There were peaks and troughs of disease incidence, for example. So, and that's over the course of a 9-month trial. That's exactly what you would expect. We had periods of very cold weather where there wasn't much happening, and there's periods of relatively warm weather. We had quite a warm October, for example, where we did get a nice peak of disease. But yeah, the main findings of the trial were that the preventative approaches were the best in terms of disease control, microdochium control.